If you don't have an Apple ID, you don't know what Apple ID is, or you've never created one before, then this video is made just for you. Just follow every step carefully. If you skip even a single step, you might face an error for sure. Let's get started. Click the Apple icon. Go to System Settings. Now click Sign In. Then click on Create Apple ID. Enter your date of birth. Now fill in your personal details. Type your name. Enter your email address. Create a password. Retype the same password to confirm. Select your country code. Then enter your phone number. You'll need to verify it using a call or text message. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Now click Verify your email. Once done, your Apple ID will be created and you'll be signed in successfully. Already have an Apple ID? No problem. I've made a separate video for that too. Check the link in the description.